Today I'm going to be installing one of these flange fixers by Danco. It's called Hydro Seat, I guess. My old flange, the bolt holes are rusted. This one was holding, but this one wasn't even holding the bolt anymore. You can see it's really gone. It also sits a little bit underneath my floor. I put a new floor on. It's almost level, but not quite. But this is what it looks like. It's got some little feet on it. This yellow thing's just a cover. There's a back, which goes towards your wall, and the other side obviously faces front. Just gonna line it up here, make sure it will fit. Next, we're gonna measure off the wall, make sure our bolts are exactly the same. The bolts on this one are not adjustable like some flanges or flange repair kits are. Then I'm going to mark with a permanent marker around my feet and the holes. You can see I've done this once. I'm just going over my markings, make sure I can still see them. And I'm going to double check my measurements, make sure that they are still where I need them to be. With this kit they send you some screws, but I have a concrete floor under here, so those screws aren't going to work for me. I've got these Tapcons. I'm going to pre-drill my holes for these guys. Next, we set our wax ring in place. This is just the one that came with the new toilet. Then we're going to set this back in place here. Now we're going to press it down. Make sure our holes line up. Next, we're going to double check our measurements off the wall. Make sure they are still even. Next, we're going to screw our Tapcons in. That's sturdy, it's not coming off of there. Now I just gotta remember to remove this plastic cover before I put the toilet on.